Hey there mga Mards! It's been some time since I have been using my mini fridge or mini ref. So, ang tawag kasi natin dito sa Pinas ay ref. Sa ibang bansa like sa US, they call it fridge. Meron mga comments that next time I hope I can see what you have on your mini ref or your mini fridge. Okay, so this time I am going to show you what things I put in my mini ref. But before that, mga Mards, so as you can see, I am using fake nails again. So I think pangatlo na to. So I have 9 of this. These nails are not pricey mga Mards, and for me, it will be only for a one-time use. Since these are only cheap ones, it can be easily dented, like what happened here. So I don't know if you can see the dent. You can see that. Alright, so may dent na siya. I don't know how did I get this, but I was just doing my makeup, and yeah, I think it's when I opened the zipper of my pouch that it got this. Alright, if it's this long, you can just remove the dented area by using a nail cutter. So parang yung iiksian mo lang siya and then do this on the other side. If you don't have long nails like this one, you still can cut the nails normally. Alright? So kung ayaw mo ng mahaba like this, kung nahihirapan ka, so you can just cut the nails onto your desired length para hindi sagabal. Alright? So ayan. So I think I will just cut this part. Iiksiyan ko na lang yung nail para maganda-gandang tingnan. And yes, it can be easily dented mga Mards. Hindi siya ganun ka tigas. Alright? Kasi nga mura lang naman. But for me, it's good because I just want to use this for my vlogs. One-time use lang. So okay na rin. And I also do my nails. Pero syempre, walang mga designs. This one has designs. Look at that. If I will do my nails, it will be just like this. So may ibang color lang. But it's okay. I still have more of this. Alright. Puntahan na natin yung aking mini ref. And let us see kung ano yung nasa loob nito.
There's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Alright mga Mards, now we are here. So this is my mini fridge or mini ref. Okay, so I put my skincare in there, just my skincare. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, oops, lakas ng magnet. Alright, okay. So, ayan ang itsura niya mga Mards kasi malalaki yung nasa loob. Alright, so the small ones, the serums are on this side. So, the serums are on this side. Okay, so this is the Brady Pore Minimizer Serum. This one is the Brady Retinol Lifting Serum, which is paubos na. Kailangan nang mag-refill. Ito, wala na yata laman to. Ayan, konting-konti na lang yung laman. This is the Brady 24K Gold Collagen Serum. Ayan, and I also have here yung Garnier. Ito, dito tayo. So this is the Garnier Skin Naturals Light Complete White Speed Vitamin C. So hindi ko pa to ubos. I've used that for 2 weeks and parang wala namang nangyari. So gamitin ko pa siya longer siguro. Okay, that's on this side. And let's go closer. Okay, so let's start with this one. Yes, so I also have this, we call this ano bang tawag na rito? Alright, I also got this, and I am using this Saint Roche Human Ultra Premium Advanced Rejuvenating Night Cream. So ayan, skincare din to mga Mards. I will be reviewing this soon. Okay, dito muna yan. And then here inside I also have the Brady Vitamin C 20% Whitening Remove Dark Spots Cream. So I have dark spots, so kaya gumagamit ako niyan. I will also be reviewing it soon when I finish that one. And eto, na review ko na to mga Mards. So this is that VFO Rosemary Verbenon Hydrosol. Ayan, so mga ngalahati pa lang. And also I have this niacinamide 20% by Apotheke. This was given to me by my daughter. Apotheke or Apotheke. Alright, so ayan. Okay, balik ko muna mga Mards. Alright. So, natanggal na ang lamig. It's okay. Alright. And dito sa baba, I have my mask. So, this is the Lanberry Blueberry Serum Mask, Facial Mask. So, dalawa na lang yung mask ko dito. And the other mask here, ayan, tumutulo na. Alright, so the fresh, ano to, may lumabas na ba? Bakit merong ano, parang may gel. Hala, nakalabas na ba yung gel niya? Nabutas pa to? Hindi naman. Fresh to Go Aloe Mask Sheet Moisturizing by Tony Moly. Alright, and alright, we have here, eto bago ko lang to na ginagamit in the morning. So this is the Ever Organics Papaya Soothing Gel Whitening with Niacinamide and Hyaluronic Acid. It's paraben free, it's alcohol free, it has a 300 ml of product, and it's made in Korea. Yan, meron pang price. Ayan siya. Gel din to mga Mards. So parang yung ano, pero gusto ko yung amoy niya. Alam niyo yung amoy ng papaya na soap? Ayun, ganun yung amoy niya. Mabango siya. I like it. Alright, and of course, ito yung dati ko nang ginagamit na hindi ko pa naubos. So this is the Lux Organic Aloe Vera Snail Soothing Gel. Alright, so ito siguro makakalahati ko na. Let's see. Alright, ayan. Hindi ko nakikita nyo, so marami pa actually. Marami pa siya. Okay. So, yan lang yung laman ng aking mini fridge or mini ref mga Mards, because it's just a mini ref. Yan lang ang nalalagay ko. Okay. Yung mga toner ko, hindi ko mailagay dyan kasi hindi na kasya. And dito kulang na ng isa. Actually, yung isa dito is, I also have, okay, the other one here was a collagen serum, and I still haven't reviewed it. Ayan, so meron pa kasi akong isa. Ayan, dumi. Okay, so alright, yan ang laman ng aking ref. I only put skincare. Pa ako naglagay dyan ng water or soda or juice. Malamig din siya mga Mards. Ayan, balik muna tayo. So, yun ang laman ng aking mini fridge mga Mards. So, nakita nyo naman, ang lalaki kasi ng mga nandun. Meron pa ako mga creams yung galing sa rejuvenating set. Pero pag nilalagay ko doon, parang mas nahihirapan akong i-apply siya kasi syempre parang tumitigas, medyo nagiging or medyo namumuo siya. So it's really hard for me to apply, kaya tinanggal ko na lang. So yung mga nandun, yung gel, ang sarap niya pag nilagay mo siya, talaga ang lamig. And then yung mga serums, mas maganda ilagay doon talaga yung mga liquid, or kung meron ka man cream, like yung Braylee na nilagay ko doon, cream siya mga Mars, pero hindi siya namumuo kahit nandun siya. So, ganun pa rin, madali pa rin siyang i-apply. I don't recommend those creams na pag nilagay mo, namumuo. It's really hard to apply on your skin. So, okay lang din naman kung wala kang mini ref. Yung normal na ref, yung mga aloe gel ninyo, yung mga serums nyo. And yes, mga Marge, yung mini ref, ang lamig lang ng mga mini ref, mga Marge, is nasa mga 17 degrees hanggang 22 or 24 siguro, ganun. So, if you have a mini ref and you just plug it in and turn it on, you'll have to wait 30 minutes to 1 hour for it to get cold. So, kung meron kang nilagay doon, let's say, malabig na siya, nilagay mo siya, and then an hour, kunin mo, yun, medyo malamig na siya. Give it some time, talagang mas lalamig na siya. So, it's not the normal ref na pag yung nilagay mo siya doon, malamig na agad. No, kasi hindi siya ganun kalamig. Okay, so I saw a lot of reviews sa mga nag-order ng mga mini ref. Yun yung ano nila, na hindi daw ang tagal daw lumamig, hindi naman daw malamig. But really, ganun lang talaga yung lamig ng mini ref or mini fridge. It is really best for skincare to be, ayan, for those who wants to buy a mini ref or mini fridge, expect nyo yan mga Mards, okay? So don't expect it to be cold like the real, or I mean the big fridge or ref that we have, kasi hindi siya ganun kalamig, alright? It's just for skincare, just for keeping your drinks cold. Hindi rin yung sobrang lamig, alright? So yun, tamang lamig lang. Okay, so wag kayong masyadong mag-expect. Okay, this has been Ryce DG. I will see you again on my next one. Bye! Oh! Is the fresh to go? Hello, nako, tumutulo na. Hala. Alright, so nasa mga pag sa unang kakapagod. Alright, so